You get a slice of banana like that, you see, and then you get your rice or pasta or whatever you're eating.
No, you don't do it, no.
Jujub gang, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Akafi. I'm back again with another video, and this time I'm doing a Somali mukbang for you guys, as well as going on the Monkey app or going on Omegle to talk to strangers. They're gonna watch me eat, so it's gonna be an amazing video. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're a returning subscriber, don't forget to turn your notification bell on so you know every time I upload. So let's go.
What? Rice Krispies.
Huh?
Maybe Rice Krispies.
Rice Krispie? The fuck? This is rice and banana.
Oh, sorry.
Normalized obesity. Obesity.
Me.
No, not you. I'm obese.
Oh, same.
Team obese. Have you ever had rice and banana?
No.
So you've never had banana with your food?
Yeah, I eat banana on its own.
No, on its own, disgraceful.
Banana and rice.
Huh?
Banana and rice, that's disgusting.
No, it's not disgusting. You've never tried it. Have you tried it?
No.
How you calling something that you've never tried and disgusting? You've never tried it.
Because it sounds disgusting.
No, but do you see your logic? How are you calling something that you've never tried disgusting? Go try it. Go and try it.
No.
You get a normal banana, you peel it off, you put it on the side, like so, like this. You get the food, and you eat it with it. Try it, life-changing. Goodbye. Hello.
Hi.
What's up?
Nothing much, how about you?
I'm great, I'm eating rice and banana.
That sounds delicious.
It actually is, thank you. You've ever had rice and banana?
Yes, I have.
You had?
Yes.
How?
It's a really big thing in where I come from.
Are you Somalian? Are you Somali?
I'm Brazilian.
Oh, Brazilian, they eat rice and banana?
Yes.
Oh my god, I need to move to Brazilian. Because all I do is eat rice and banana. Eat banana with everything.
We have such thing as fried banana that we put in our food too.
Oh, no. You don't cook the banana with the rice. You don't do that. You eat it by the side. Look, normal banana, you just put it on the side.
Yeah, normal banana, you take the normal banana and you slice it and you put it in your food.
Yes, correct.
Yes.
You're weird. What is this?
My mask?
Yeah, why are you like this?
It's not real. I mean, it's just a mask.
Shit, why can you not just be fucking normal?
Well, I'm ugly, so I have to hide my face.
You're ugly. You need to gain confidence. I'm ugly. Shut up. I don't want to hear it. You're not ugly. Stop it. Take the mask off.
Hey, what's up, my friend?
What's up, my friend? How's it going?
So you are fitness.
Fitness?
Yes. You
No.
Are.
Obesity.
No, you are.
No, obesity. Chicken leg peas.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. This is rice and banana, my friend. Buy it from the shop.
Hey, what is this?
What?
Coca-Cola?
Right, banana, rice.
Yeah.
I mean, beautiful.
Yeah, this, the last. This is a wine or something? Wine.
Yes, I'm doing wine and dine myself.
Yes, you are good. Keep going, bro. Keep going.
Thank you, mashallah.
Yo, you want Oreo?
I would love Oreo. Do you want rice and banana?
Yes, let's go. I got you. Trade. All right.
Trade. Have you ever had rice and banana? You see the...
Yes, bro. Stay safe. I got you. Enjoy your Oreo.
Listen to you, ready?
Yeah.
Listen, ready? So,
What's up?
if you buy a bigger bed, you have more bedroom, but less bedroom. What?
You're right.
I know.
You're onto something.
Also, how do the people make the internet without internet?
Wi-Fi.
Wait. Wait. I think, wait. Oh my god.
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi.
The fuck?
Was Wi-Fi already a thing? No. I don't know.
I've never had a banana actually. What you eating?
Oh, thank you. I'm eating rice and banana. You've ever had banana with your meal?
No.
I don't know why you're laughing. You're discriminating. You're discriminating against Somalis.
No.
You're being disrespectful.
Oh, I am being disrespectful.
Do you see me laughing at your culture and what you guys eat? No. So don't laugh at me eating banana with a rice. Shit.
Banana?
Yeah, have you ever had banana with your food?
Cool.
Yeah. Have you ever had banana with your food?
What?
Banana with your food.
Oh, banana. I've had it afterwards.
Afterwards? You need to try it with your meal. It's beautiful. Life changing.
Hold on. Have you ever heard of a fruit plate? Yeah, you eat it after.
No, you do not eat it after. What kind of idea is this? You eat it with your meal like this. You get a slice of banana like that, you see? And then you get your rice or pasta or whatever you're eating.
No. You took it. No.
Look, you eat it with it.
No.
Oh my god, you don't eat it as a fruit. There's other fruits. There's orange. There's grapes. There's watermelon. Those you eat it by itself. Banana, you eat it with the food.
You eat plantains with food.
This is not plantain. This is...
I know, but you eat a plantain with food. You don't eat banana with food.
Who said that? What culture is that? That's the other African culture. This is Somali. We eat it with...
Well, you know what? Not everyone in the world is Somali, okay?
Huh?
Not everybody in the world is Somali.
Yes, they are. Yes, they sure are. Oh, yeah. Yes, I see everybody as Somali. I'm sorry. You are Somali. You're gonna adapt to the culture. Get used to it.
Alright.
Huh?
Alright. Okay.
What's your culture?
I'm Chinese.
Chinese. So you're from China?
I live in America, but yeah.
Well, background.
I'm from China, but I was born in America.
But don't you claim China?
What? I claim China?
No, don't you claim China? Like, since you're from China, why don't you claim it? Does that make sense?
No, it doesn't make sense. How am I supposed to claim a country?
I claim Somali. I'm from Somalia.
Okay, but I'm Chinese. I claim the culture.
Oh, so you identify as American, but you're Chinese.
I identify as Chinese American.
Oh, okay, so African American. But why don't you just say the country you're from?
Because then if I said American, most people assume, oh, you're white. No, I'm not white.
So you're Chinese American?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I'm from Chinese descent, but I'm a U.S. citizen, so I'm Chinese American.
Have you been to China?
People are African descent, but they're citizens of the U.S., so they're African American.
Oh. Have you been to China?
Yes, I have.
How was that?
Terrible.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Communism absolutely sucks.
I know. I didn't like what they did to Muslims in China.
I know.
I don't like it.
I don't claim the government. I claim the people.
I do not like what they did to the Muslims in China. They are disgusting for that.
Citizens in China, they don't even know about it. They don't know about it.
Huh?
They don't know about it.
Who? The people that live in China?
Yeah.
The fuck? Oh, because they don't have internet.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, I'm in for a shock.
Yeah.
that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did like the video, make sure you give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below. And yeah, so see you next time.